Hi, it's Claire and welcome to Need to Sew More. Today I'm going to give you some tips for pinning. You want to make sure you've got plenty of pins, particularly in these corners, because without the pin that will move around and you won't get a sharp edge on your trousers. So the most important places to pin are the corners here, the tip there, that is the bottom of the crotch seam, so that's really important. The corners of the waistband, so here and here. So any point that might be missed, to get an accurate cut as possible, you want to pin it down. So here, right in the corner of the pocket, and here. And I would say space your pins about every 5 to 6 centimetres, depending on the part, to give you the most accurate cut.